Some people on social media never shame. Cockroach all a draw them when them still attack. Me not call no name, but me can't talk because of social media. You see a cockroach in a them out. If anybody ever if me ever dip on my life, and no cockroach ever show up on me life, me I go clean my house. When me done bleach up my house and clean up, me have shame. Me ears say them near me mouth over TikTok, and then come back over Facebook a ball.
So keep talking on a bag of lies on this social media.
First and foremost, Dwayne got rejected from TikTok, right? And I'm so upset with your Majesty, because Majesty put back Dwayne in a highlight, yeah? Because him company page and him chat all these fuckery about Majesty, right? And because Majesty up there defend him character, because the stuff that he was saying probably did not look good on his character, make the man have to come out and cuss him. But at the same time, I was so upset, because even when Majesty did a cuss Dwayne, I was like, everybody know that the shit that he's saying ain't true. Everybody know that the shit that he was saying was not true, but he's just trying to get a little highlight. You understand what I say? I remember saying go over TikTok and them reject him over there, you know. Them done him over there, you know. So it now make him come back on Facebook. Back pan 99. Back pan Majesty. Back pan this. But all my name him did a call one at a time. Yeah? And when them reject him from TikTok and him come over Facebook, remember say only 10 if and until him start call up Majesty name, people start watching him, you know. And until him start call up Majesty name, him start get views, you know. And Majesty make that the dirty drunk they start get views. I say, me vex, but at the same time him did have to answer him because of the allegations them when him did have put across. Would answer him to at that point. But a Majesty give him a little knowings again, because nobody ain't watch him, and when him come back on Facebook, nobody did a look on him. Nobody did a look on him. And that's why I was trying to say under the comment section for Majesty page, is that this man a look at high power for you. That's why I'm coming up with all these stupid allegations, dumb allegations, and only small-minded people is gonna listen to him. Nobody believe a word that come out of that boy mouth. As yeah, him go over TikTok and him flop. Him go over TikTok and a dash out the wall of him what you call it, taxpayers money, what you call that something there, a welfare him get, disability check, take your whole time disability check and send go get the people them on TikTok, and when he couldn't send no more, then me hear say then cuss out him backside out there. Me hear say them done him over TikTok when him couldn't, when him disability check run out, and him come back on Facebook a ball and I say him not have no money, and come on Facebook a ball. Me hear say him come over here a ball live in high water to the people them sorry for him. Me say them near me. Social media nice still, you know. Social media nice your fuck. Me can't bother them near me mouth over TikTok for true, so me here. Me here say them near me mouth over TikTok and then come back over Facebook a ball. And you see Dwayne, if you ever call me name over your life, I gonna drag you up and down, papi. You know what ramp with me here? Make your mouth slip and make you say nothing where you know for say. And you see me and you are going to discipline your blood clot. I'm going to discipline your retarded ass. I'm going to discipline you. You're too out. Boy, you talk about people who clean shit after you sit down in a piss up diaper for social media. No pampers you wear. Eh? You're not the same place you sit down where you sit shit and where you blood piss. And somebody have to help you clean your shit up ass. Your ass goodly that is sore. And the wall between your crotches goodly shape up. You're too damn outside. Go wash your damn face and clean out the matter out of your eye before you come on social media with your mouth full of shit. Right now you're talking about people who clean shit. You want somebody to clean out your fucking mouth. You whole of the cheese them, you can grate a cheese off of your teeth them. You sit down there and take care of yourself and think that you have fun span. So go take care of yourself and go take care of your health. But you're not normal. You're not normal, you know? Something wrong with you. And then you sit down, you make the people them in the comment section and gear you on. Eh? You're rank, sir. You're rank. And while the other day I talk your mouth full of shit, I know you smell yourself. You smell yourself. Why? I nearly vomiting in my mouth. The man up on the live this morning and the whole he matter cake cup. I saw it whole in your so cake up with matter. Then you couldn't wash your face good before you come on the live contact about 99. Wash your face. You can see some hard matter. The matter them is so hard. Me say when me see me nearly vomit. Woo. Some people on social media never shame. Cockroach all draw them when them still attack. Me love. Me not call no name, but me can't talk because of social media. You have all people, you see a cockroach, close the door. You see a cockroach in a them house. If anybody ever, if me ever dip on my life, and no cockroach ever show up on my life, me I go clean my house. When me done bleach up my house and clean up, me have shame. Then me can come on social media and make people see teenager cockroach crawl up in my house. And me not go clean my house. You must be crazy. Me not do them something. Me have to go clean my house. Me have to clean my house. Me not make two people business make cockroach a drama where me not doing it. And me not go talk bad about nobody and cockroach a drama where me not do it. Beg the cup. Me not do it. I swear to God. Me not make cockroach a drama where me talk about other people. Me have to go clean my house. No. You don't have no shame. I wanna feel like these people are with you guys. You feel like say these people in the comments will cheer uno on. Them just as nasty as uno. Cause the people them will sit down on the live and watch the teenager cockroach them. I crawl all over the place. Them fucking nasty to and them feel good for know so them have company. Them feel good for know so them have not. That's why enough for uno. Me don't want to know over here. I want thing nasty people not go like me. Yeah? Nasty people not go like me because I go talk the things them. So I want to go clean out on the house before the chat shit about people. I'm done talk. Go change your piss up diapers and go clean your house. Oh. You cannot chat about people who are cleaner than you. Go clean on a dirty house, man. Okay, let me tell you now, and if you listen, go get some boric acid. Cockroach normal still, you know. Once upon a time, everybody get like a cockroach in them house. Get some boric acid and put and clean out to the house. Bleach down the house, vinegar the house, and put boric acid right around the house, and it will get rid of the cockroach. Then take my foolish advice. Go do some cleaning video, man. Show people how to clean. Cause obviously you not clean. Show people how to dust. And them sitting down if you use and make content. You come on social media fuck with people. Show people how to clean. You not have no shame.